All right, my distinguished viewers, it's that time of the month to feast on the gourmet spread of our desert housing market. And trust me, this meal is Michelin star worthy. I'll be right back. Hi there, it's me, Stefan Burchard, the Desert Bowtie Realtor at your service, whisking you away on a real estate adventure across the greater Palm Springs region. Remember, we're not just talking transactions here, we're embarking on an epic journey. I am your trusty guide. Let's start with the entree, home prices. Our main course consists of Valley Median single-family residences, delightful, presenting at a plump $700,000. They've grown 2.2% since last March. Talk about organic growth. Condos have been seasoned with love and care, now sitting pretty at $500,000, which is 8.7% tastier compared to the year before. And that's just the appetizer. For the full course, check out the monthly chart and video notes linked for the detailed breakdowns by city. It's like a treasure map, but for the local housing market. Side dish, months of supply. Perched elegantly at 3.9 months, our months of supply has been a slight uptick since our last taste test, allowing our palate a brief respite, you might say. On to the aperitif, or days on market. Our days on market currently rests at a comfortable 46 days, giving us a taste of the market's zest and buoyancy. Gone are the days of the 20-day turnovers reminiscent of the COVID feast, and we're nowhere near the pre-pandemic pace of 65 days. We found that sweet spot, my friends. Now, why should our discerning diners focus on days on market? Well, imagine it as your crystal flute of bubbly, revealing the expected duration of home sales and guiding buyers on their bidding adventure. It's like having an insider tip on your betting odds. And who wouldn't relish that? By the way, should you desire a personal culinary guide through this world of data, or just fancy a blithe banter about the freshest market trends, reach out. The palate cleanser, or inventory. Stepping into our pantry reveals an inventory of 2,450 units, dressed up and prepped for the taking. It's not the overflowing cornucopia of pre-pandemic times, yet it provides a sustainable harvest that prevents prices from being sous vide'd into oblivion. That's culinary speak for rising, by the way. The dessert? Sales volume. Forgive my penchant for culinary metaphors, but I can't ignore the activity of home sales. With our 3-month average of 633 homes finding new owners, it's an uptick that promises an even more flavorful future. Expect to see the gentle ebb and flow of seasonal fluctuations, adding a dash of variety to our sales menu that keeps our marketplace dynamic and intriguing. To garnish this, we have homes selling over list price. Speaking of zest, 14.1% of homes are sizzling off the plate above list price. It's the market's sassy way of winking at us, fueled by hearty demand and these oh-so-eager buyers ready to tuck in. Sellers are toasting to higher demand, while buyers should prime themselves for a dash of competition. It makes victory all the sweeter, right? Now, throw in that visual of home selling over list price up there, because nothing garnishes a dish quite like visual flair. Savoring these insights with you is like sharing and rediscovering a vintage wine. It's about rich experiences, not about numbers. Our market, like a seasoned dish, has its own peaks and troughs, but rest assured it stands firmly grounded, displaying resilience and surprise with each unveiling. What's bubbling under the lid, you ask? Well, we expect the Fed to dial down those interest rates in the latter half of the year, which will inject more vigor into our healthy market and sales cadence. Remember, don't wait to buy real estate and wait. And that brings me back with a dollop of urgency to the critical question of the day. Who do you know who I can guide into finding their taste of paradise? Good company in this real estate feast is as important as dining ambience. Reach out. I'm here to spice up this adventure for all who come to the table. Enjoyed this update? Share it with a friend or family member who's looking to dive into the desert market or just wanting some more info. Now, check out my hilarious story about how I stumbled into real estate. It's a fun story. Thanks for watching. Bye. Alrighty. Close. It's taking forever to scroll. That's a short one. That's a wrap. Okay.